Hello, my beautiful audience. Myself Mansi and I am pursuing BCom from MJSA Government College. When I came across my dream to pursue MBA from IIMs, I tried to find out various sources available for my CAT preparation. Then I came across the platform known as Ekoching, and I am glad that I chose Ekoching platform as my source for CAT preparation. The faculty Prashant sir, Saleh sir, Raki ma'am, Jaya sir are too good and too knowledgeable that E-coaching platform provide us with various live interaction classes, video lectures, weekly tests, weekly doubt clearing sessions, and moreover the MMT. The Make My Test allows us to form as many tests as we can according to our needs. According to our revision strategy, I must say that MMT platform is a boon for any CAT aspirant who want to pursue his dream in the top B schools and want mentors of e-coaching is always there to help us out with any of the queries that we have related to the colleges, related to our percentile, related to our performance appraisal, related to our efficiency in the test and etc. Even if we found any error in the application or any technical issue, they are always there to support us in any of the contexts. Good journey, more reliable and more easy, more convenient for CAT, and I hope that I will score good under the guidance of e-coaching mentors or faculty, and I will suggest you guys who want to pursue MBA from any IIMs and they are searching for the sources of CAT preparation, I will suggest you guys you can join anytime and you can feel free or faithful towards the e-coaching platform. They will definitely provide you a reliable result. Thank you.